Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Robyn and this is my closet. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It is Friday, so there's a weekend coming up. So I hope you have good plans. Please leave me a comment below what your plans are for this weekend. I'd be very interested in hearing. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. I do all sorts of unboxing, lifestyle, beauty, clothing. I do it. Not always some of the best boxes, but they do try hard. So today I have my second Facetory box. I unboxed this a few weeks ago or last month, and I thought it was a really nice box. And I got my first Ipsy bag. I ordered this the beginning of April, and I just received it. So not sure what took so long. And then I think I ordered the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I can't wait to get that one, but I don't know how long that'll take. So it's like a double dip today. So let's start with my Facetory. It's a Korean beauty box. You can get the box, you can get masks, you can buy products separate, and I really liked it. And when I signed up for a couple months so that I could give it a good, honest review. And I'll leave the price below, $29.99, or it might have been $39. But before I post the video, I will leave it so that you know how much it is. And you open it up, and it's got the card with everything that's in there. Put that aside, and just keep glowing. And we all know face skincare is really important, and I hear that Korean face products are really good for your skin. And this has full-size products in it. So that's one of the reasons that really impressed me with the last month's box. It's got, I think, about 5, but they're all like full-size products. So the first one is Hot Dog Green Tea Fix Up Gel Mix. And it's a great skin refreshener, and that's what it says. And if you've been watching my videos, you know I got one in, I think it was my beauty box that was like a pomegranate, and that one smelled good. So let's see. Oh my God, it does smell like green tea. So you just spray a little. Definitely good. And in Arizona, it gets really hot. You do, I hate to say it, get sweaty. I do a lot of things outdoors, so I can never get enough sprays for my face. Even when you're like working inside, you just feel hot. The next thing is CLIV Max Hydraulic Formula Ampoule. Activating and energizing. And it's for dry and sensitive skin, moisturizing and soothing. Oh, the bottle looks nice. And I always rip into boxes, so they are fully destroyed by the time I'm done. Look at this. That is a beautiful packaging. It's activating and energizing, so I'm thinking maybe you put it on after you wash your skin. You might use something like this instead of like a serum. So I'm sure there's more directions in there, but again, beautiful packaging, full size. You can't beat it. Excuse me. Oasis peeling gel. As the peeling gel helping, okay, I can't read it. It controls waste of pore and keeps skin soft. So in the pamphlet, it'll probably explain how to use it and what it's for. And it's a tube. It's definitely a gel. I'm not sure if it's, oh, there it comes. I can't tell if it's got a protector. But again, it's a nice size, so you can't go wrong with that. And, ooh. Then we've got Soothe Me Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mask. The Primer Mask. Before starting your makeup, all you need is primer mask to get your skin moisturized and well conditioned for a flawless makeup look. So that looks interesting. Then the Gallantry Step-by-Step Moisturizing Mask. So there's the one step and then the two steps. So that looks very interesting. And the strawberry. The other night I did a cucumber mask and I had these little things of cucumber all over my face. So I went to go get the mask and I went to go cut it open in the kitchen with the scissors, and the man says to me, "What are you eating now?" That's the first thing he says. I says, "I'm not eating anything. I'm going to get my mask." So then when I took it out and I put the little cucumbers, he could just smell the cucumbers and he's like, "I thought you said you were not eating." Go figure. So we got these 3 big products. The peeling gel. I don't think there's anything else in here. And this beautiful bottle. And then the green tea facial spray and 4 masks. So this was definitely worth it, and I can't wait to try these products, and let's see if we can see what they are now. Give your skin an extra push and plump it up with the CLIV hyaluronic formula, and I think the word is ampule, made to help give your skin extra hydration. This is great for tired and overworked skin. Rosa flower water. After toning, apply an appropriate amount of the product into your hand. Pat the product over your face and down your neck. And this retails for $60. So then the Milky Dress Oasis Peeling Gel. This gentle peeling gel will leave your skin feeling smooth and supple. Watch as the peeling gel visibly clumps up and picks up dry skin as you give your face a gentle massage. It melts away impurities and removes dead skin cells to reveal healthier, cleaner, and brighter skin. Use 1 to 2 times a week for a brighter and more even complexion. Clean your face and pat dry. Apply the proper amount and gently massage all over the face for 30 seconds until small pellets form. Wash off with lukewarm water. So that is definitely interesting. So if you have like super dry skin, this is probably something that you would like. And then the gel mist has a unique application that plumps and refreshes the skin instantly, making it smooth, hydrated, and balanced. This product is filled with beneficial ingredients like green tea from Hadong, South Korea, that will work to help heal and protect your skin. Hold the bottle 8 inches away from your face and lightly spray towards your face. Then the masks. So we've got the Soothe Me Tea Tree Mask. Then we have the Step-by-Step Moisturizing Mask and the Strawberry Slice Mask and the Hello Moisture Glow Primer Mask. So I'm sure they will all be great. And whenever you use a mask, don't forget to make sure that your skin is clean. I think that is the key ingredient for any good mask to work. So let me know what you thought of this particular box. I think it's well worth the amount. Oh, I'm sorry. The masks retail, one is $3, the two-step is $6. The strawberry, it doesn't have a price. The tea tree retails for $5. The Milky Oasis Peeling Gel is $15, and the gel mist is $20. So this box is well worth or retails over $100. So I will keep you posted on how some of these neat products work. And please comment below and let me know what you thought of this box, if you think it's worth the money. By the time you're going to be watching it, you'll see how much I paid for it. And now let's get into my first Ipsy bag. And I've watched a lot of YouTubers on this, so I can't say that I don't know what's going to be in it. And I noticed a lot of YouTubers, what they do is they order one for like what they are, their age and skin type and everything, and then they order one for somebody much younger to compare the two. So I always find those interesting and watch those. So it comes in this really nice bag. It's a little rough feeling on the outside, but it's a nice bag. And there's a card in here with everything that's in here. And what I remember is Ipsy is all sample sizes, so that Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I think, has the bigger sizes. And there's nothing wrong with sample sizes because you get to try out the product. And I think it's $10 a month. So the first thing is this H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydration Gel. So gels must be big. The next thing, cutest little samples, multi-purpose stick, Glow Awakening Illuminator. These boxes are so cute. Okay. Nature's Cartel. I'm not sure what it is. I don't think I've seen anybody on boxes, but maybe so. Is it a highlighter? It's the cutest little thing. Great to put in your purse. So I'm thinking it's a highlighter. The next thing is Good Genes Treatment. Exfoliates the dull surface of the skin. Oh, this is by Sunday Riley. And I know Sunday Riley is very expensive. I got an email from QVC that they're, having this big makeup sale, and they had all these Sunday Riley products on there that were anywhere from like $60 to over $100 for their products. So I can't wait to try this. And then the last thing in this box, sorry, we're starting to get a little breezy out here. So I guess there's 4 products in the bag. Is Estate Lip Icing. And that looks like a nice size. So let me know, do you guys think that these bags are worth $10 a month? I don't know. It's nice to be able to try the product, but I guess because they're good products, they might be worth $10 a month. But I'm looking forward to getting the Glam Plus bag. Now this is nice, the Estate, and it's a great color. So yeah, I guess it might be worth $10. it goes on nice. So let's see everything that was in this cute little bag. And of course, guess who's gonna get those little bags? That would be my daughter. Of course, now I can't say that too loud because I have a daughter-in-law and she might get upset. So the multi-purpose stick in Glow Ball Awakening, this shimmery pinky color stick, you can use it as a highlighter, eyeshadow, and a lip color. Then the Good Genes by Sunday Riley. You apply 1 to 2 drops of this treatment all over your face, neck, and even layer. Oh, it says that I got brushes, but I didn't see brushes. It says Farrah brushes. I didn't receive those. The Estate lip icing and Pixie by Petro, the H2O. So I guess unless I am missing something, there was no brush in here. I thought you did get 5 products, but when I didn't see the 5th, so okay. Not impressed. How do you not put one of the better products in the bag? So had they included the brush in here, it definitely would have been worth the $10. But without the brush, I'm changing my mind. So I guess I just need to contact them and let them know. So let me know what you thought, and I know a lot of you guys already get the Ipsy. So just leave your comments what you thought of both boxes, and if you think that it's worth keeping the Ipsy. I haven't gotten the glam bag yet, so I don't know. But as always, you guys have an awesome day and an awesome weekend.